The notion that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has been circulating among certain groups. According to this theory, vaccines are not just a means of preventing diseases, but are actually a tool used by a secret elite to control and manipulate the population, particularly Christians. Proponents of this theory claim that vaccines contain hidden ingredients and agendas that are designed to undermine Christian values and freedoms. One of the main arguments made by those who subscribe to this theory is that vaccines are a form of population control designed to reduce the number of Christians and limit their influence in society. They point to the fact that many vaccines are developed and distributed by large pharmaceutical companies, which they claim are controlled by the New World Order. These companies, they argue, are using vaccines to spread diseases and toxins that will weaken and kill Christians, thereby reducing their numbers and limiting their ability to resist the New World Order's agenda. Another argument made by proponents of this theory is that vaccines are a form of mind control, designed to manipulate people's thoughts and actions. They claim that vaccines contain ingredients such as mercury and aluminum, which they believe can alter brain function and lead to a range of psychological and behavioral problems. They also point to the fact that some vaccines, such as the HPV vaccine, are designed to prevent diseases that are associated with promiscuity and immorality, which they see as a threat to Christian values. Some also claim that vaccines are a form of spiritual oppression, designed to prevent Christians from fulfilling their spiritual destinies. They believe that vaccines contain ingredients and energies that are anti-Christian, and that they can interfere with the person's ability to connect with God and fulfill their spiritual purpose. They point to the fact that many vaccines are developed using cell lines that are derived from aborted fetuses, which they see as a form of spiritual pollution. However, it is essential to note that these claims are not supported by scientific evidence and are based on misinformation and misconceptions. Vaccines are thoroughly tested and regulated by government agencies and international health organizations to ensure their safety and efficacy. The ingredients used in vaccines are carefully selected and monitored to ensure that they do not pose a risk to human health. Furthermore, the notion that vaccines are a tool of the New World Order is a baseless conspiracy theory with no factual basis. The development and distribution of vaccines are carried out by a complex network of organizations, including government agencies, pharmaceutical companies, and healthcare providers, all of which are subject to rigorous regulation and oversight. The idea that these organizations are secretly controlled by a satanic New World Order is a paranoid fantasy with no basis in reality. In conclusion, the idea that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that is not supported by evidence. While vaccines, like any medical intervention, carry some risks and side effects, the overwhelming scientific consensus is that they are a safe and effective way to prevent diseases and protect public health. Christians, like people of all faiths, should be cautious of misinformation and conspiracy theories that can undermine their health and well-being, and instead rely on credible sources of information and guidance from qualified healthcare professionals.